Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorial UFI. In this video, we will be learning how to change the language on your Canva application using mobile device. To change the language in the Canva app, first of all, open the Canva application on your device and then make sure to log into your account first. Once you're inside the home page, look for the menu icon at the top left corner and tap on it. In the expanded menu appearing on the screen, tap on your little username drop-down at the top. Now, click on Settings in the menu and click on Your Account at the top. Inside the Your Account section, scroll down and tap on the Language drop-down. You will then see a list of language available. Select the language you want to change to from the list, and within a few seconds, you will be able to change your display language setting to something else of your preference. That is how you easily change language on Canva application. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorial UFI for more Canva tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye till then.